SaleHoo, wholesale suppliers for eBay – secret weapon that helps you make more money. Visit site SaleHoo. The online supplier directory have just overwhelmed themselves at their own game, the community and education center for everyday people such as you and me. They're all about making your online selling venture a safe, sleek and happy ride. It can be a powerful battle making an attempt to spot that info and suppliers are trustworthy and legit, and which don't seem to be. And that's solely one amongst the many challenges online sellers face. Every step of online selling desires to be rigorously researched, from deciding what to sell, sourcing reliable suppliers, choosing where to sell, how a lot of to sell, the list goes on, and it all takes up an enormous quantity of your time and energy. SaleHoo perceive this all too well. Thus after all, the services they provide make the battle of online selling a much easier win. Their latest improvements leave me with no doubt that they do serve as an online seller's ally. The most trusted online supplier directory — the way to get you on the road to eBay selling. This is as a result of their directory search operate is now ultra clever. You'll modify your search by provider sort, location and shipping needs. The user determined star rating assigned to every supplier helps you see at a look just how good you will find that supplier. You can easily keep tabs on your favorite searches and suppliers by favoriting them at the press of a button. SaleHoo then conveniently alerts you via email of any new suppliers or changes to your saved favorites. SaleHoo uses an intelligent system that means all of their content can be kept contemporary, guaranteeing you're only given helpful and quality info. It conjointly means there is bigger protection against scammers. The SaleHoo members' homepage is currently a spirited hub for the newest additions and discussions, member activities and the most recommended suppliers. These new options are super, but the SaleHoo Research Lab is by so much the hottest thing they need to offer. These labs are distinctive and can offer you an astounding quantity of useful data in a second. From here you'll notice out everything you need to know to form wise, successful decisions. The reasonably stuff that eBay power sellers have previously spent hours and hours researching to get ahead — it's currently right at the fingertips of SaleHoo members. It's as simple as typing your product of interest into the lab — and it spits out a raft of reports on your product. You can see the demand versus supply for your product on eBay, illustrated trends of how many have sold, what they sold for, and also the list goes on. The Research Lab can jointly counsel for you and permits you to compare various merchandise, keep tabs on your product within the news and supply for you current Google ads on your product, thus you'll learn from your competition. The labs can jointly tell you if SaleHoo have a provider for your product, and if they do, you'll be able to go straight there. From now on you don't need to spend hours researching new product suppliers, trying to figure out whether they are trustworthy, and worrying about using suppliers that would supply you products which wouldn't sell well on eBay. Never again you will have to worry about paying a supplier, then having them run off with your money, leaving you without any money in your pocket, or any products to sell. If you haven't heard of SaleHoo before, they're one of the largest and safest wholesale communities on the Internet. One of its most valuable features is the supplier directory, which lists over 8,000 pre-screened and verified wholesalers, drop shippers, liquidators and manufacturers. These suppliers sell every product imaginable from MP3 players and gaming consoles to designer brand clothing and jewelry. They also stock plenty of everyday items such as cushion covers, kitchen utensil sets, pet grooming tools and sporting equipment. They have it all. Wondering how they can guarantee that their suppliers are safe? All SaleHoo suppliers must meet their strict standards and are pre-screened to ensure they are 100% safe. Plus they regularly check our suppliers to ensure their standards haven't slipped, through a review system which calculates the experiences of their members, feedback from their team of SaleHoo power sellers, and from anonymous SaleHoo purchases. You will never have to deal with a mediocre supplier again. Oh, and one more thing. You're going to love this. They have thousands of suppliers with low or no minimum order quantities. Some suppliers will laugh at anyone with less than $5,000 to invest in one single order, but that won't be an issue with any SaleHoo suppliers. But wait, it gets even better. If you have no money to put down at all, but want to start making money on eBay today, that's okay too, because SaleHoo has hundreds of drop ship suppliers. These guys only let you pay for the items you actually sell, making it a simple and super risk-free way to earn some cash. You may be blown away by what SaleHoo has become. It offers answers to queries you had never even thought to raise. There's no doubt that you may love it. Go and see for yourself.